Good morning, students. Today we are going to have the second video lesson of Social Studies Class 4. We will continue chapter number 1, Globes and Maps, and will cover the information given on page number 1 and 2. The time duration of the lesson is 35 minutes and the resources required are Smart Social Studies, Book 4, Notebook and pencils. Now let's review the objectives of the day. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain the term cartographer, identify climatic maps with help of their features and use, identify the features of resource or economic maps, identify the features of road maps, and discuss the use of resource and road maps. So students, let's see who are we going to meet today. Hello children, I draw maps. Do you know who am I? Yes, I am a cartographer and this is the map drawn by me. Do you like the maps? Now look at the maps and say what information each map is providing. What can you see on this map? Yes, it shows different weather symbols and the temperature. So, the map shows the weather conditions and it's a weather map. Now, let's see the second map. What does it show? Yes, it shows the contour lines. So, it means that it is showing us the different land forms. Now, let's see the next map. Oh, this is the map of Balochistan. What is it showing us? Yes, it's showing us the network of roads. So, it's a road map. So, students, you have seen that we have different types of maps and each map is showing us different information. So, let's identify each map and discuss its features. What can you see on this map? This has different colors and different shades. The key of these shades is given here. When we read this key, then we come to know that which type of climate does each area have. Now say the areas having this rust color have hot summer and mild winters. So it means, just look at the map. This area has rust color. It means that in these areas the summers are very hot and the winters are mild. So this way you can read the whole map. So which map is it? It's a climate map which shows the climatic conditions of different parts of Pakistan. Now, it uses different colors to show areas with different climates. So, climate maps give us information about the climate of different areas. Now, what is the use of the climatic maps? It can help us to be prepared to deal with different climatic conditions of our area. And it also helps mountaineers and tourists to plan their journeys. Now let's see this map. What can you see on this map? This is the legend of the map. And if you see, this symbol shows coal. So, it means that you can find coal here and here and here and in all the areas, in all the states where this symbol is used. So, it means that this map is telling us about the resources. So, it's a resource map of the United States. Other resources are also shown here. Say if you see this, symbol, it is used for oil. So what does it mean? That all these states of the United States have oil. then this symbol is used for forests. Now, wherever this symbol is used, it means that in these states there are forests. So, this is a resource map. An economic or a resource map is a map that gives information about various economic activities that take place in a particular area. Symbols are used to identify the resources. Now, what's the use of a resource map? It can help the governments and even individuals to record, track, and analyze resources available in an area. Now, this is the map. Initially also we had seen this map. So, this is a road map. We had already discussed that this map shows the network of roads. So, it's a road map. A road map shows different roads, highways or railways present in an area. What is the use of road maps? Road maps are available online also and help people get the best route to visit any place. Can you think of an example of the road maps? Yes, nowadays we all are using the Google Maps. Now let's review what we have learned today. Who is a cartographer? What are the features and uses of climatic maps? What are resource or economic maps? What is the use of resource maps? What are road maps and what are they used for? Now let's check your answers. Who is a cartographer? A person who draws maps is a cartographer, and we have already met one today. What are the features and uses of climatic maps? Yes, these maps show the climate of different regions. Colors are used to show different climatic conditions. These maps are used by the mountaineers and tourists to plan their journeys. What are resource or economic maps? These maps show the economic resources, activities of a specific place. What is the use of resource maps? It can help the governments and even individuals to record, track and analyze resources available in an area. What are road maps and what are they used for? The road maps show different roads, highways or railways present in an area, and these are used to find directions and reach the destinations choosing the best routes. So I hope all the answers were correct. Now let's practice. Your task number 1 is to read page number 1 and 2 of your textbook. You have 7 minutes to complete this task. And task number 2, you have 10 minutes to complete this task. You have to complete question number 1, part B in notebooks from page number 5 of the textbook. I hope you have understood the types of maps discussed today and you are going to practice reading these maps. So, have a good day.